A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Rajesh Sundaresan, and I am the Information Systems Manager of Tesco Retail Stores, Toowoomba, Queensland. I recently came across a new shopping system that has been implemented by some of the retail giants in and outside Australia. Most of the retail stores have introduced a new Smart Shopping Trolley that gives customers a new and enjoyable and beneficial system of shopping. I even tried using one at a store when I had visited the US, and it struck my idea that it would be a wonderful idea to implement this latest shopping experience in our stores. Therefore, I conducted a thorough research and came to know about a lot of interesting factors and benefits that we could gain if we implemented this across all our stores in Australia. Firstly, let me take you through the contents of this presentation. I would first give you an introduction of the smart shopping trolley called the e-cart. Later, I'll talk about the benefits that the customer gets from this new shopping experience, the advantages and disadvantages of implementing this new system, the hardware and software requirements, changes in business processes like human resource, sales and marketing, finance and accounting, and production, the cost and benefits. I've even conducted a sensitivity analysis, and lastly, I would base my conclusions and recommendations. This smart shopping trolley system, called the e-cart, will create a revolution to the current real-world shopping model. This idea is an initiative that sets the model for the convergence of electronic and physical commerce by integrating computing infrastructure into physical stores and bringing a new way of shopping into conventional retail stores. This cart is a customer-oriented system in the visible form of a personal shopping assistant, which will make shopping easier and provide enjoyable intelligent services that would guide the customer from the time they enter the store till checkout. 85% of leading retailers rate self-service customer-facing technologies such as smart shopping carts as one of the three top opportunities for increasing consumer satisfaction. The main features provided by this system would be a shopping list that lets you plan your own shopping list at home and then lets your shopping list be made available on the LCD screen when the customer arrives for shopping. The cart would suggest the customer a route and would help the customer finish their shopping in a faster way without any hassles or confusions. The system also provides customers with offers and helps customers save loads of money. When a customer goes to a particular section in the store, the system notifies the customers of ongoing offers, thereby helping customers avail discounts that they were not aware of. The system also provides navigation and product information services, and it guides the customers to the products in their particular aisles, and the customer does not get lost when searching for a particular product. The system even gives an estimate of the total amount of the number of items in the shopping trolley. Lastly, the system gives product info. This shopping trolley is equipped with a barcode scanner. When a customer scans a product that they want to purchase, it would display the entire details, including the price and nutritional information. The system will also provide menu and recipe suggestions based on the contents in the trolley. Most importantly, this smart shopping trolley helps stores to increase the total efficiency by reducing manpower and resources. Now, how does this work? When a customer picks up a product that they want to buy, they first scan it at the bar with the barcode scanner, and a picture of the particular item is actually taken, and the system prompts the customer whether they want to finalize the purchase. When the customer acknowledges the purchase, the information is sent to the back office and the item is added to the bill. These trolleys are fitted with a GPS navigation system that alerts the store's database when a shopper moves to a particular area and and an advertisement is triggered related to that particular area. These systems can help reduce manpower and can create a better shopping experience for the customers. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using this? The main advantage is that shopping takes lots of time, and the most hectic situation is waiting in long queues at the checkout. Now, this particular shopping trolley system would help customers get rid of long waiting queues as it provides customers with automated billing processes. That means a customer can do their shopping and walk right out of the store without waiting in long queues. The system also provides advanced inventory management systems. Now, the risks that are associated to this particular system is that customers take time to get familiarized with the trolley, and it is a bit expensive in implicating them at the initial stages. As these are electronic devices, they need routine maintenance, which is time consuming and money consuming. Now, the hardware required to use these services would be an infrared sensor, a RFID reader, a power supply to give power to the trolley, a USB camera to keep continuous watch of the items in the trolley, a LCD screen, a weight sensor. The weight, once a customer scans an item and puts it into the trolley analyzes the weight of the product and confirms the purchase of the customer. Now, the most important thing is that we need to check the impact of the business processes in particular areas like human resource, finance and accounting, production and sales and marketing. When you look at the human resource part, human resource, it reduces the amount of employees needed to serve the customers, and human resource recruitment at all levels of the supermarket can actually be reduced effectively. Finance and accounting. Initial setup costs are definitely essential and are time consuming as well. Higher profit generation is essential in the long run, and as in the later slides you would come to know from the business case that I had conducted that this provides high profit generation in the long run. The production section, the system, as the customers purchase items, the system will obtain real-time data of the inventory in hand and generate order requests automatically and will eliminate products from going out of date. That leads to efficient inventory management improvements. Sales and marketing. Direct advertisements leads to increased sales, and this is a proven fact. As the customers are in the store and when they go through particular areas, current real-time offers are displayed on the LCD screen, and the customers are able to get last-minute offers and avail discounts and increase sales. Companies like IGA and ACT Super are using similar products like MediaCart and Grocer Smart in and around stores in and around Australia. I have done a financial analysis based on the cost and benefits a store would benefit from if we adopt to this new shopping system for the next 6 years. It is highly evident that even if we invest some initial money, the cash flow increases due to reduction of costs and increase in benefits. Here we can see that the profitability increases from 2 million to 16 million over 6 years, which is remarkably outstanding. A company will increase its assets by 16 million. In this business case, I have conducted an analysis at a discount rate of 10%. The analysis states that this new venture will add 21.57 million to a company value. The internal rate of return is the interest rate at which the net present value of all the cash flows should equal 0. Here, the discounted rate should equal to 42.50 and the profitability index should be 2.8. I have even conducted a sensitivity analysis considering 3 scenarios, which would be the best case scenario, base case, and the worst case. As I had mentioned in the previous slide, at 10%, the company would add a net present value of 21.57 million with a payback period of just 3 years and a profitability index of 2.80. Going to the best case scenario, at a rate of 8%, the company will add a net present value of 28.95 million with a payback period of just 2.5 years and a profitability index of 3.41%. Lastly, the worst case scenario. In this scenario, we worked out a discount rate of 12%, which still adds a net present value of 15.86 million with a profitability index of 2.32 and an internal rate of return of 14%. Lastly, I would like to conclude that this smart shopping system has its pros and cons. Technology can prove to be a great asset to the company. It could also cause harm if not understood and used properly. Information technology and the latest technology resources can be deployed flexibly, efficiently, and virtually without limits via the wireless networks and devices available in the markets nowadays. Automatic billing of products by using RFID techniques will be a more viable option in the future. The system based on RFID techniques are efficient, compact, and shows promising performance. This new system will save time of the consumers and the manpower required in supermalls and the cost associated with the product. We should approve this project as it has positive benefits in terms of the business analysis conducted. Thank you.